Guys, this is our MEP 100 project which we developed in this course. It is a portable mobile charger in which we can charge our mobile while wearing it on our feet. Thus, we can emergency charge our phone nonchalantly while doing other work, with our hands like cooking, etc. It can be taken on and off our feet every time. Thus, it is very detachable like this. We wear the Velcro around our leg and it can be removed anytime from our feet. Thus, not only are we charging our mobile, but we are also doing very good to our health by walking, talking, and charging our mobile at the same time. As people have to rotate a shaft, etc., for a very long time. Our product also benefits you in the way that you won't even notice that the mobile is being charged while you perform other tasks like running, jogging, etc. But while using our product, you also contribute towards saving the environment.
I am Aditya and I am going to tell you about the procedure of this. We started with aluminium sheet metal development of a cube. On one of the faces, we drilled holes and fitted dynamo with help of nuts and bolts. On the same face, on one corner, we fixed a screw to act as an axle for our gear. The gear was made up of wooden sector of a circle on whose circumference gear teeth were pasted. Then two springs were attached fixed on the axle to bring the gear back to its position.
To plot the output voltage provided by the product, we use CRO, as it would not only give the voltage but also the waveform. You can see here the voltage peak crossing the 5 volts line, but waveform was quite random. Our output was AC voltage, which we converted to DC voltage using a diode. On calibrating CRO, we were able to get constant DC voltage. A capacitor is connected in parallel to load to bring the voltage to a constant value of about 7 volts. We faced while constructing this product, to make it work continuously, this wooden gear would have to come back after pressing it. Something has to push it back outside. For this, we have to try different types of spring. We tried many types of spring for these different sets of springs. Some were rejected because of inappropriate dimensions, some were rejected because of inappropriate spring constant, some of shapes, and some had very low spring constant. And after trying two of them together, the spring constant was so large and the force it would apply so large that it would deform the base we created for the block. Then we settled down on the springs we took out from the clips used for hanging clothes.